Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an AI storytelling video. So here is a sample guide to help you create an AI storytelling video for your channel. So number one is thing that you will just generate a story. You will just choose an AI writing tool like ChatGPT. So I will just give them command to create a script like on short story on Simpson prediction about 2025. And when you just create your story script right over here, and make sure you will just choose the AI tool of creating your storytelling video. So I will just recommend it for like Pictory AI. This is the AI tool. It will gives you the option to script into a stunning video. So I will just tap on it like this one. So I will just copy the script from here when it's done, and it will create me a story which I script given them. So basically I will just show you that like, and I will just copy it, and simply I will just come back in Pictory and I will just paste it here. So I will just give them name like Simpson prediction 2025. So I will just tab on processed, and let's see. So please wait while the video storyboard is being created. So if you want to guide more, so you will just read this, but wait for the moment preparing your storyboard.
Short story. Simpsons Prediction 2025. I've seen one. The Simpson living room. The family is gathered around the TV, watching an old episode of The Simpsons. Bart. Smirking, these old episodes got everything right. Like the time we predicted smartwatches. Lisa. Rolling her eyes. Yeah, but predicting the future isn't that hard when you're dealing with trends. Homer. Grabbing a donut. What about that one time I was president? Can we make that happen? I promise free donuts for everyone. Maggie, sitting quietly, points at the screen where a news report is playing in the episode.
So in this way you will just have to create a AI storytelling video to using AI tools like Pictory AI. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.